To set double press set key as open Samsung Notes in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features, select side key, on double press tap open app settings icon, and then scroll down the screen, find Samsung Notes, and then tap Samsung Notes. Now double press set key set as open Samsung Notes. Okay, let's try. When you double press set key, Samsung Note will be open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.